This is the oven lamp. This store is Pama, and we just compare the price because we also use this one in the oven, the prices. So as you can see, the 7 watts is €3.79. The other is €4.39. So, and it varies upon the watch. So I show you the oven lamp in 15 watts. There is also 20 watts, and I don't know, the other is expensive because that is €4.39, and this is the 7 watts. The brand is Philips. So I show you the lamp of the 7 watts, a little bit smaller than, and this one is the lamp 25 watts in the Action store, but the brand is not Philips, but the price is only 69 cents. So the price varies in a store and also in a brand. So it's up to you where you want to buy. If you want to save, you can buy the 69 cents, or if you want the branded, you can also buy the Philips one, which worth of €3, more than €3. It depends upon the watch. So I just only give you the difference between each store and also the brand, but to be honest, it's the same uses, the same where you use it is, because we use also the other one and we use also this one, but it's for us it's the same. So what we do is we buy the cheaper one.